Let me ask you something. If someone Googled your name today, what would they find? Would they see a confident creator sharing valuable ideas or nothing at all? Here's the truth. These days, your online presence is your first impression. Whether you're growing a YouTube channel or launching a business or building a new career path, people look you up before they work with you or buy from you or even follow you. So let's talk about why your online presence matters more than ever and how to make it work for you. Hey, I'm Rob. I help creators over 40 confidently build their brand and income on YouTube. And today's video is about something most people overlook until it's too late: your digital footprint. We'll explore why having an intentional online presence isn't optional anymore, and I'll share what you can start doing today to build credibility, visibility, and opportunity in the digital age. Let's face it, most of us over 40 did not grow up with social media, or even the internet in my case. Our first impressions used to happen face to face. But the world has changed. Now, before a potential client or employer or collaborator decides to reach out, they've already Googled you and watched you or scrolled through your social profiles. If your online presence is empty or inconsistent, it does send a message, whether you intend it to or not. It might say, "I'm not active," or "I'm not current." But if you've built a clear, authentic presence, even something as simple as a well-structured YouTube channel, well, it tells the world you are credible, you are confident, and you're part of the digital conversation. And that's powerful because opportunities now find you, not the other way around. Here's something that's changed dramatically. Authority used to come from titles and institutions. And now, authority comes from visibility and value. You don't need a fancy company title or a professional studio to be seen as an expert. You just need proof, and that proof is digital. When people can see your work, your ideas, your insights, your face, they begin to trust you. And that's where YouTube becomes such a game changer for people over 40. It's not about chasing trends or going viral. It's about positioning yourself as someone with experience and perspective worth listening to. You've lived, you've learned, and you've earned wisdom that others need. The only missing piece is letting the world see it. Now, here's the part nobody likes to think about. If you're invisible online, you're being passed over. You might be the most talented person in the room, but if people can't find you, they can't hire you or collaborate with you or even discover what you do. And unfortunately, visibility bias is real. In today's digital world, the person who shows up online consistently often gets the opportunity over somebody equally qualified who doesn't. But here's the encouraging part. It's not too late to change that. Even a small online footprint, a YouTube channel, a few thoughtful videos, or a clear link to your work, that can completely shift how people see you. You don't need to be everywhere, you just need to be somewhere with intention. Let's break this down into a few simple actionable steps for you. Step 1, choose your primary platform. You don't need to be on 10 different social networks. Just start with one. YouTube, for example, and build it intentionally. YouTube is the most search-friendly and long-lasting platform out there. The other one I use is LinkedIn. In fact, I started there and then came to YouTube, and so I built my audience initially on LinkedIn, and now I'm growing here. The two platforms work well together for me, but you do have to be consistently active on whichever platform you choose. Step 2 is to define your message. So ask yourself, what do I want to be known for? What is my area of expertise? Whether it's gardening or marketing or storytelling or music, whatever it is, Clarity is key, and every single video or post should reflect the kind of person or expertise you want to be recognized for. Step 3 is to share value, not perfection, value. People connect with authenticity far more than polish, so you don't need a Hollywood-level production on YouTube, for example. Your online presence should feel human, not corporate, especially for creators over 40, because your strength is your credibility and life experience. So use it. Step 4, be discoverable. Use clear titles, descriptions, and tags that make it easy for people to find you. Think of your content as breadcrumbs that lead people back to your world. Step 5, connect your ecosystem. So link your YouTube channel to your lead magnet or your website or your community. That's how you move viewers from watching to engaging and eventually to becoming clients or collaborators or loyal fans. Remember, your online presence is not a vanity project. It's a business asset. It's what people find when you're not in the room to introduce yourself. Subscribers and likes and all of that is great, but it just doesn't pay the bills. Now, if you've ever felt like you missed the digital wave, I want you to hear this. You didn't miss it. You're entering at really the perfect time. Younger creators might have the energy and the speed, but you have something more powerful. You have experience, you have perspective, and you have purpose. You don't need to go viral to win online. You just need to show up consistently and build trust over time. Every video, every post, every thoughtful comment is a building block in your digital foundation. And once that foundation is solid, you've built it up over time, then opportunities like partnerships and clients and speaking invitations or brand deals, they'll start finding you. So if you've been waiting for the right moment to start building your online presence, this is it. Actually, it was yesterday, but today is just as good. Because in the digital age, the biggest risk isn't putting yourself out there, it's not showing up at all. If you're ready to take your first step toward visibility on YouTube, I've created something to help you. You can download the Over 40 YouTube Starter Pack, which now includes a free trial of my private community where you'll connect with other creators over 40 who are growing their presence and building momentum together. The link is in the description box below. Grab it, jump into the community and grab the Over 40 YouTube Starter Pack. And hey, while you're in there, you might as well grab the other freebies that are available as well. And let's make your digital presence work for you. Now, YouTube is really good at finding videos that are going to be helpful for you, and I hope that's the case with one of these. I'll see you there.